Do you want to know a secret? Well, it's actually not a secret. It's just one of those things that no one really checks in on or even thinks about. But check this video out and see what I'm talking about, because it's going to change the way you look at Mobile Manager. You've come to really appreciate Mobile Manager. Its ability to take pictures and video of every vehicle and being able to send that to a customer no matter where they are. You've also appreciated the fact that it frees you from the desk. You can meet and greet customers, but the problem is you're still limited by the Wi-Fi. Well, what if I told you that you really aren't? You can take Mobile Manager over the road. Yes, over the road is a form of Mobile Manager that uses a cell-enabled tablet to do everything that you're used to. Imagine no more limitations because of your Wi-Fi. Hop in a car, go to the far end of your lot, or even take the car out for a drive. Because you know how many times you have to find that hard to find issue, and it takes some driving, maybe even a bump, and before you know it, bing, you hit the right spot, all the dash lights went on and you captured it. That's beautiful. There's a lot more to this. You can use over the road for your road test, as we mentioned, verifying issues and capturing them. Anything that you find, you can document right on there and use it for your diagnosis. And finally, after you make the repairs, make sure that they work. So over the road can also help you with towing. When you go out and pick up a vehicle, you can document its exact condition before you even touch it. That way you won't be blamed for the tire damage or any body damage or anything that's on the vehicle, because you can send a report right to the customer before you pick it up. So there you have it. Pretty cool, huh? The fact that you can take Mobile Manager anywhere that cellular service is going to change the way you use it, because there's so many new uses. So if you have any questions, give us a holler and let us know, because we'll be more than happy to get you over the road.